Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and grounding, then patch the compressor into the channel's insert or aux return. Set the mixer channel gain conservatively so the channel peaks around 0 dB on the meter. On the compressor, set input trim low and output to unity. This prevents sudden level jumps. Once done, set ratio low to 2:1 and threshold high so compression is not yet audible. Make sure to monitor through headphones and meters while you proceed. You now shape dynamics with attack, release, and ratio. Select attack time fast for taming transients or slower if you want to preserve punch. Experiment by ear while listening to the source. Set release so the compressor breathes with the material, shorter for percussive parts, longer for vocals and pads. Adjust ratio between 2:1 and 6:1, then lower the threshold until you see 2 to 6 dB of gain reduction on peaks. Once balanced, use makeup gain to restore. You finish by fine-tuning and verifying in the mix. Regularly bypass the compressor to a /B the compressed sound against the dry source so you don't overcompress. If the low end causes pumping, engage sidechain high pass or EQ to prevent false triggering. If you hear unwanted pumping or distortion, make sure the input isn't clipping, then lengthen the release or raise the threshold and reduce ratio. Finally, lock your settings and document them. If something goes wrong, check routing and power first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.